Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here again for another travel vlog adventure. So I'm here at Matutum Blooms. It's our first time here. Actually, we came from SJ Farm, and then it's our second destination for the day. And as you can see here, marami na silang mga cute little cottage over there, down there. Actually, that's the one. So, marami silang mga bulaklak. Tapos, yan, yung part na yan, yan yung pinaka-focal point no area. Kasi it's really nice to take photo on the little fingers. Big fingers, I mean, not little fingers. So, let's check the place. And I'll just turn this phone around. So here we are. Medyo ano lang yung mga daanan, but marami siyang mga bulaklak. So iba-iba yung mga bulaklak. So there you go. Parang this was open just last year, pero at the moment, ayan, marami ng mga bulaklak and it's really in bloom. And it's really nice. Tapos the weather here. So the weather here is really cold.
Tinood dyan, makita dyan ang bukid na, dati. Dili.
Kasi cloudy. Tapos ang isa din sa parang highlight nitong ano is you can see this Matutum area. Kaya lang ngayon kasi medyo cloudy. Kasi parang nag-rain. At hindi naman rain, drizzle lang. So ayan. Ang ganda ng place. Parang sarap mag-overnight dito. Okay, so we'll just go down. Ayan, there's my kid. Ayan, ganda ng mga bulaklak ko. Iba-ibang color. Kaka-good vibes. Look at this one. So pretty. There you go! Andiyan na yung Haring Matutum, the Mount Matutum itself. The clouds are already lifting. Yan yung Matutum, the majesty itself. It's very nice here. Ang daming for Instagrammable. It's worth the fee. Yan, if you wanted to have like a photo shot in a nest, so you can do there. So meron sila ng mga function area. Ayan. Meron sila ng mga stone table and benches. You will also find there mga cottages. So, may bike. Ayan. So ang dami-dami. Ang daming ano. Uy, you can do bonfire here. Ito mga stone table nila. Or cement table. Probably. Sige na! Hindi ka makita, pangit. Sige na, mag-eyelash na dyan.
Yan. Uy.
Ang dami niyang mga entry point. So you can like goes from one area to another without clamoring. So the good thing about here, guys, is that yung tao, hindi sila kung talagang naghahanap ka ng social distancing. So this is it yung area na pwede mong puntahan. Kasi not everybody can really like see each other eye to eye. Kasi there's a lot of good things and areas for Instagrammable. So kanina yung Matuto, nakita natin ngayon cloudy na naman siya. So nagtago na naman. So we're almost able to see the tip of the mountain. But now it's again very shy. Ayan. So there's really cool. So dapat ano ka dito, well fit ka. Kasi there's a lot of going up and down the places. Pero hindi ka naman pagpapawisan because the temperature is really very cool. Okay, there's here saying, raise your arms to the mountain. It is a form of worship to its creator. I really agree. Alright, so we have to go down now. Bisang ka? Nuno? Ang babaan? Ayan no? Ayaw mo? Oo. Oo. Dali ka. Kahit dyan lang oh, sa may parang...
Diretso po dito sa balay-balay.
Sige na.
Dito, agyanan.
Ito oh.
Dito na agyanan.
Kayo ang ginakuna ko ng ano.
Ito nga dito sa may bahay-bahay.
Alright, so we're gonna go there. That little blue cottages, the triangle cottages. So yan yung mag-ama ko. Ayaw namin bitawan si baby kasi baka siya mahulog. So cemented na yung mga stairs. So okay lang. Nice, nice ang mga bulaklak. It's already pained me. My tuhod. They are cute. It's welcome to Rock Haven campsite. Let's check the place. Since we're already here, let's just visit all of the areas para naman sulit yung ating bayad or entrance. So it is really a big lot, guys, kasi oh, they're on expansion. Okay. So there's a lot of signs. They can like do bonfire here. Okay. It's really cool. Madali na siguro itanim itong mga ganitong flowers. Kasi talagang ano siya. Ayan, ang cute ng mga cottages nila. Pwede pala mag-retreat dito. Ganda. Gandang area for camping. So close to nature. So let's go back. I'm still at Madutum Blooms, somewhere in Sock Surgeon, Tupi actually. So there are a lot of things that you could find around here. Like if you wanted to like be close to nature. So I think this is one of the recommendations that I can give you. So try this place. So cool. Medyo madami lang mga ups and downs, but it's all worth it. So I'm going back to to the trail that we had earlier. So aakit na ako.